Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Maths Olympiad, let us discuss the basic things of angles and angles properties. Some introduction. Here, angle and angle property is very crucial part for the Maths Olympiad. Now, let us do some easy introduction. An angle is the space between two lines and rays or surfaces that meets at a common point called a vertex. Look at here. Suppose this is a two rays intersect at one point. Angle is made here. This is a vertex. This is a rays. Suppose here Y is a vertex. A, B. OA and OB is a rays. In between, the angle is formed. It measures the opening or turn between them and is typically measured in degrees. Example of angles include the corner of square, the point of pizza slice, or the slope of ramp. These are angles formed. Look at here. This in protractor. This is a vertex point is here and match the line with this and here. So the angle is formed here. Component of the angles. Main component of the angle is vertex and arms. These are arms. Vertex is the common point where the two rays or lines meet, and arms or rays lines, the two lines or rays that form the angle. These are rays. Next, angle have specific properties and types such as acute. Acute is 0 to 90 degrees acute. Right angle is at 90 degree. Obtuse is 90 to 180 degrees. Straight is 180 degrees. And reflex is 180 to 360 degrees. Angles. Key angle properties include vertically opposite angles being equal, angles on the straight lines adding 180, and angles around a point is 360. When a transversal lines intersect the parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, and co-interior angle sum is 180 degrees. We'll discuss these one by one. Angles are classified by their measurement. Acute angle greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. These are acute angles formed. A right angle. Right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. These are obtuse. From this side to this, these are obtuse. That is more than 180, 90 and less than 180 degrees. Straight angles exactly 180 degree. This is a straight angle. Reflex angle greater than 180 and less than 360 degrees. These are the angle formed by this vertex is greater than 180 degrees and lesser than 360 degrees. This is a reflex angle. Full rotation angle, of course, it is a 360 degrees. Some basic angle properties. These fundamental properties apply to angles. First, angles on a straight line. Look at here. This is a straight line is AB, is a vertex point. So, if you draw a perpendicular line, this angle is 90 degree. Here, this is a acute angle. Suppose this unknown angle. We can find these angles by using these properties because this together is 180 degree, that is x plus 47 is 180 degree, then we can find the value of x. Angles around a point. Look at here, this point is O, lot of angles formed, each angles have some measurements, 4x, 8x, 7x plus 1. This means we have to find the value of x by using this all together is equal to 360 and find each angles. These are the angle around a point. Many angles, countless angles we can make a point around it. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, the angles on opposite sides of a intersection are equal. Look at this figure. Here this 35 degree, here this vertically opposite angles. That means from the vertex These are vertically opposite. Another set of vertically opposite angle is here 145 degrees, here also 145. These are vertically opposite angles or equal. Properties with parallel lines. Look at here. Suppose two parallel lines AB and CD is there. One MN is a transversal. That means a line crossed these two lines. When a transversal line cuts across the two parallel lines, specific angle relationships emerge. Means here, this angle 1 and 5 is a corresponding angle. That means angle 1 is left side of the left side on top of the AB, as well as angle 5 is the same position with the line CD and left side of that transversal. So these are corresponding angles. Another corresponding angle is 2 and 6. Another corresponding angle is 4 and 8 and 3 and 7. These are the corresponding position of these two lines having corresponding angles. Look at here, these are corresponding angles. Some figures are given. This W and W is corresponding angles. The blue colors angles are corresponding angles. Here, here, here. What is alternate angles? Angles on the opposite sides of the transversal between the parallel lines. Look at these are two parallel lines. These are transversal. Angles on opposite sides of the transversal. This angle 1 and angle 3 and 6 is a alternate angles. Both are equal because of this angle is left side, this side is right side in interior. Alternate angles, as well as here another alternate angles what 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is a alternate angle. In exterior position also 1 and 8 is 1 and 8 is alternate exterior angles, as well as 7 and 2. 1 and 8, 7 and 2 alternate exterior angles. Please understand these concepts of angles and angle positions. This is very useful to solve some crucial problems in geometry. We'll discuss in later videos. Co-interior angles. That means angles on your same side of your transversal between the parallel lines are supplementary, meaning they add up together is 180 degrees. Look at here, this co-interior 45 and 135 is co-interior. If add together it becomes 180, so it's called a co-interior angle. Suppose angle B, if you measure angle B and angle D, if you add up them, if it is 180 degree, then we can say it is a co-interior angles or supplementary, means 180 degrees. Now so far we discussed little about angles and its properties. It will be more easy to further solving problems regarding Maths Olympiad as well as some other exams we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.